Okay, so how to pretty much make a transparent background for an image. This is pretty easy thing to do, so let's just get into it. So what you need to do is um go on to the magic wand. I'm using paint.net, by the way. You can use anything else, maybe like Photoshop, but I use paint.net. So you just click on the video, not on the video, you just click on where you want to cut out, or you just, yeah, you can do it in any specific place, but I want to cut out the background of the image and just leave this, and all I do is press cut, and bam, there you go. It'll have extra stuff here, but you can just do this and also cut it out, or you could just erase it out like this, and you can get a pretty good PFP, or profile picture, if you don't know what that means. So yeah, I edited this and it turned out really well, so this can be useful for stuff like that. Yep, so that's pretty much it. Another example is maybe like open recent. As you can see, I was editing it right here. Another example is you can also do this. So let's say I copy image and then I paste it into here, and I don't want all of this to go onto the shirt, so I do this. Oh, that's gonna, okay, hold up. Dear me. Okay, that's a little crazy. Okay, you know what, just go by the first one. I'm not really experienced, so that should be enough. The simplest way to do it, if you're not trying to make anything too crazy. And if you're trying to make something crazy, then you probably shouldn't be on my channel. Anyway, hope I helped, and yeah, bye.